this is how we drive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, we're going to show you how you can use your Apple logo as a button or activate double tap or triple tap option in your iPhone 15. Could be iPhone 15 Pro Max or any other version of Apple device. So very simple tutorial, guys. In this case, you have to search setting option. Here you can see at the corner, go inside. In setting option, you have to find this option. You can see accessibility. Here we go. Go inside accessibility. In accessibility, you have to find this option called touch. Go inside touch option. Go at the bottom. You see back tap option is off. Hit this one. You see here touch none, so when you put any option it will be on. Here you can see double tap and triple tap option. Hit double tap and choose the application you want to start with. That I hit camera for double tap. I go back tap here and triple tap here. I put touch light or flashlight option. I put touch here. This is done here. Okay, so we'll be out. So here we go. The camera is on with double tap. Now we'll use the touch option. So I'm here, so you can see triple tap. The touch is on. Awesome, guys. Triple tap off. So very easy tutorial, guys. So you can use your Apple logo as a button, activating double tap and triple tap option. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.